Find the loss percent and gain percent. When question number first, cost price is 750 rupees and selling price is 800 rupees. Cost price is equal to rupees 750 and selling price equal to rupees 800. SP is greater than CP. We get profit, and profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Profit equal to 800 minus 750, that is equal to rupees 50 rupees profit. And we find profit percent, that is equal to profit upon cost price multiplied by 100. Profit percent equal to profit 50 rupees and divided by cost price is 750 multiplied by 100. 0 is cancelled and 5 15 5s are 75, 5 2s are 10, 5 10s are 50 and 5 3s are 50. Profit percent equal to 20 upon 3. 20 divided by 3, 6 3s are 18 and remainder 2. Profit percent equal to 6 whole 2 upon 3%. Answer. Given CP equal to 750 rupees and SP equal to 800 rupees, when selling price is greater than cost price, then we get profit. And profit is equal to SP minus CP. Selling price 800 rupees, cost price 750 rupees, and we get profit equal to 50 rupees. 800 minus 750 equal to 50 rupees profit. And profit percent equal to, formula is profit upon CP multiplied by 100. Profit is 50 rupees, cost price is 750 multiplied by 100. 0 cancel, 15 5s are 75, 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15, 10 5s are 50, 20, 10 into 2 is equal to 20 divided by 3, and 20 divided by 3 we get 6 whole 2 upon 3%. Answer. Profit percent equal to 6 whole 2 upon 3%. Next question, question number 2. Cost price is rupees 2000, selling price is 1500 rupees. CP is equal to rupees 200 and SP equal to rupees 1500. CP is greater than SP. When cost price is greater than selling price, then we get loss. And loss equal to CP minus SP. That is 2000 minus 1500 rupees. And loss equal to 500 rupees. Loss percent is equal to loss multiplied by CP into 100. That is equal to 500 upon cost price is 2000 multiplied by 100. 20 cancel, 10 cancel, and loss percent is 50 divided by 2, 25. 25 2s are 50. So loss percent is equal to 25%. Answer. Given cost price is 2000 rupees and selling price 1500 rupees. When cost price is greater than selling price, then we get loss, and loss equal to CP minus SP. 2000 minus 1500 equal to 500 rupees loss. Loss percent is equal to loss upon CP multiplied by 100. 500 loss equal to 500 rupees divided by cost price is 2000 multiplied by 100, and 0 this cancel, 10 is also cancel, and 50 divided by 2, that is equal to 25% loss. Answer. Question number 3. An article was purchased for rupees 500 and sold rupees for rupees 550. Find the gain and gain percent. Question number 3. Cost price rupees 500 and selling price is equal to rupees 550. SP is greater than CP. Profit, that is equal to SP minus CP. Profit equal to 550 minus 500. That is rupees 50. Profit or gain? 50 rupees. Find the gain and gain percent. Gain percent equal to gain upon CP into 100. That is equal to rupees 50 upon cost price is rupees 500 multiplied by 100. 0 is cancelled. 5 1s are 5. 5 10s are 50. Then gain percent is equal to 10. 10% gain. Answer. Cost price equal to rupees 500. Selling price is 550 rupees. Selling price greater than cost price, then we get profit, and profit equal to selling price minus cost price. 550 rupees minus 500 rupees, that is 50 rupees gain. And gain percent is gain upon CP multiplied by 100. Gain is 50 rupees divided by cost price is 500 rupees, multiply by 100. 0, 0 is cancelled, and 50 divided by 5, that is 10, 5 are 50. So we get gain percent equal to 10% answer. Next question, question number 4. An article was bought for rupees 400 and sold for rupees 350. Find the loss and loss percent. Cost price equal to rupees 400, selling price equal to rupees 350. When cost price is greater than selling price, then we get loss. That is CP minus SP. Loss equal to 400 minus 350. Loss equal to 50 rupees. And loss percent equal to loss upon CP multiply by 100. Loss is 50 rupees. Cost price is 400 multiply by 100. 0, 0 is cancelled, and we get 25 2s are 50, 2 2s are 4. So 25 divided by 2. 12 2s are 24. 1.0. 5s are 10. Loss percent equal to 12.5%. Answer. Cost price is rupees 400 and selling price is 350 rupees. Cost price is greater than selling price, so we get loss equal to cost price minus selling price. 400 minus 350, that is 50 rupees. So loss percent equal to loss upon CP into 100. Loss is 50 rupees. Cost price is 400 multiplied by 100. 0, 0 cancel. 2 2s are 4, 25 2s are 50, and 25 divided by 2, and we get 12.5% answer. Question number 5. I bought a TV for rupees 10,000 and sold it at a profit of 20%. How much money did I get for it? Cost price equal to rupees 10,000. Profit percent equal to, that is 20%. I get it equal to 10,000 into 100 plus 20 upon 100. That is equal to 10,000 into 120 upon 100. 0, 0 is cancelled. That is 1, 2, 0, 0, 0. Answer. Given cost price of a TV equal to 10,000 rupees and profit percent is 20% profit. So I get it, that is SP. is equal to CP into 100 plus profit percent upon 100, that is 0 is cancelled, and 100 plus 20, that is 120. 120 multiplied by 100 equal to 12,000 rupees. Answer. Thank you.